and 3 and 4 and 5.
Okay, let's copy Alec. Ready?
And 2
Ready,
and 3
baby
and
sister.
4 and 9 and 9
Lindsay. She's too busy. She's distracted now.
and 4
Ready?
and 2 and 3 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 9.
She's done. You gotta exercise. Come on. Gotta do some thigh masters. Ready? And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Ready? Do another one. I must increase my bust.
Hey, Mommy.
Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Let's see what we're eating today.
Okay, watch what she does.
Hi, Lindsay.
Look out there. That sounds come from all those little stairs.
Watch out. Lindsay. Ooh, it's cold. Chilly.
Right. Wow. That was pretty loud. I thought, myself personally.
Play my ball. Okay. Okay, baby. Don't be worried about. Now you have twins, baby. Look. See?
What's her other name? What's her nickname?
Lindsay Samantha.
Mm-hmm.
Cantaloupe.
Yep, what else?
Oh no, Mini me.
What's her nickname?
Mini me.
That's your little mini-me?